When your litigation involves an FDA-regulated drug, biologic, or medical device, you need an FDA expert witness experienced in every step of the regulatory process, skilled in providing clarity and simplicity to a judge and jury. Dr. Joshua Sharlin is a Ph.D. biological scientist with over 25 years of experience as an FDA drug reviewer and consultant to over 100 of FDA-regulated companies. He has hands-on experience in the entire product approval lifecycle for drugs, biologics, and medical devices, from creating a regulatory strategy, clinical trial planning and execution, all the way through to FDA submission, review, and approval. Tens of thousands of people who work at FDA-regulated companies have paid to attend his more than 40 training classes on FDA compliance. As an FDA expert witness, Dr. Sharlin has supported legal teams in more than 50 litigation matters, in cases involving death or injury, mergers and acquisitions, patent infringement, contracts, software development, stock fraud, and more.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joshua Sharlin. My differentiating strengths are the depth and breadth of my scientific, statistical, and software development know-how, my FDA-related regulatory and auditing skills, and my vast teaching experience. I look forward to working with you as your FDA expert witness and applying my guiding principle that the truth makes the best story. Call me at 410-231-8900 or visit sharlinconsulting.com. Thank you.